अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरे चैनल गुरु रोग में खुश आमदीद। तमाम दोस्तों से गुजारिश है कि जिन्होंने मेरे चैनल गुरु रोग को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और साथ लगे बेल आइकन के नोटिफिकेशन को बेल आइकन को दबाएं ताकि हर मालूमाती वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक बवक्त और फौरन पहुंचता रहे। चलें चलते हैं जी, हम अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। इंट्रोडक्शन टू वीडियो एडिटिंग इन Adobe Premiere Pro. Learn how to use Adobe Premiere Pro in this free course. Start with the basic and learning how to organization your file outside Premiere. Import your state and set up your project before learning editing essential essential like how to make cute the basic of editing audio and video effect title how to explore export your project and more with export in instruction from Dave Board. You will start at the absolute beginning and work quick through these free Premiere Pro tutorial into more exciting technique. It's really it's really the best way to learn Premiere Pro online. Why not follow along using one of the free Premiere Pro template on mix it once. Your mistake mastered the basic. Check out the top quality stock video and video templates available as part of your unlimited Envoy Elementor subscription. Learn how to add video transition in our course Top Transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Introduction to video editing is Adobe Premiere Pro. Learn how to use Adobe Premiere Pro in the free course. Start with the basic. Start Learn video editing. We very bold a complete guide to help you learn how to edit video, whether you are just getting starting with the basic or you want to master video editing and post production. Introduction to lesson. Introduction. What you need. Getting starting lesson. File instruction. Quick tour of Premiere Pro. Set up your project lesson. Important optimization. Editing basic lesson. Creating a secure subscript. Editing in the timeline part 1. Editing in the timeline part 2. Beyond basic editing lesson. Adding a cutaway shot. 2. Binding on the basic editing part. Binding on the basic editing part. Audio transition. Fine tune the look and sound. Video effect. Master clip effect. Adjusting the volume of your track. Audio effect. Addition time titles. Exporting and many more. This such as the dashboard is an export on video and audio production in the offset area. Working as a camera operating editing environment, motion graphic designing, recording engine of and studio musical. He tried in the production swift army knife. Dave has great content for VS1 and discovered network as well as possible video that have been seen million in early